First grade, are you ready for another Beat the Coach? Here's what you need: a spatula and a wadded up paper towel. Very simple. I bet you have both of them in your kitchen. So I'm going to set the timer for a minute, and I'm going to see how many times I can keep the wadded up paper towel bouncing on my spatula. Ready? 1 minute. Ready, set, go. Oh, I caught it. So we're going to stop there and we're going to say 12. I'm going to try to beat 12. Hmm, 11.
Only 11.
Now, notice, first grade, that I'm trying to keep it low. It's kind of like when we work on, when we're at school and we have those lollipop paddles and we have a ball. If we hit it really high, it's harder to control. So I'm trying to keep it really low. What's my record, 20?
20. 18.
Okay, so my record's 20. See if you can beat it and put it on Seesaw. Beat the coach, but you can't.